Would you believe if I tell you this flower pot is made with sticks and empty milk can? In this video, you will learn how to make this. Stay connected. Things required to make this. Watch carefully one more time. Let's get started. Step 1. Paint the empty milk box. Always careful about the edges. Step 2. Cut the cardboard slightly bigger than milk can size. Step 3. Make a roll of loose piece of cardboard and glue it. Step 4. Cut these sticks as shown in the video. There are 4 different sizes, 3, 4, 5, and 6 inches each. Carefully note the size of each stick batch. Step 5. Stick roll of cardboard on the cap of empty milk box. Step 6. Glue sticks over this. Watch it carefully how we are going to arrange this. First group will look like this at the end. Step 7. Repeat the procedure of sticks grouping all around. It's almost done. Look at the final look. Step 8. Put the milk box over this stick cage. Congrats, you have done this. Now get ready to see the magic.